So there it is there. Oh, and that's going to open up all the other crap. Oh, so slow. Right. Yeah, we've kept all that. 4 core 8 thread. 2.85 gig used. Just not a too bad computer. Processor's 58, 59. CPU usage 0%, 2%, 3%, 4%. Oh yeah, it's changing. 8% of the 32 gig used, so that's not too bad. Right, Windows 7, I forget where the device manager is now. Right, have a look at device manager, see if it's picked up all the drivers. But it doesn't matter since I'm upgrading to. Oh, so slow. Look at the lag on that. Right, everything's there. Yep. So it's the CPU there, i7 2600, 3.4 gigahertz, 4 core 8 thread. So I don't know why it shows you 8 cores. Well, it could be wrong. No, because they've been shown more than that. Right, everything's there. You can't obviously delete that. Right, I'll come back when we start the Windows 10 update because I have to download it first. Right, back once I've started that.